Cigars are unique, as are the people who smoke them. They are a wide and diverse group of men and women. Not many products do you spend so much time painstakingly selecting, feeling, and smelling, only to burn it up and destroy all evidence that you ever possessed it. With that in mind, if you're new to cigars or an old hat like me, you spend a great deal of time choosing just the right smoke to enjoy or share with friends. I've come to enjoy the process as much as the cigars, but one thing seems to always evade me: selecting the right lighter. Sometimes I leave the house without my favorite torch, or I just don't want to carry it, and I find myself at the mercy of the venue to provide the dreaded match. Cigar matches are not cheap, like a good cigar, and they can vary from place to place. Sometimes your favorite liquor store that sells cigars only has the flimsy little paper matches, or these tiny wooden ones that are not exactly cigar friendly. So how do you light a big ring gauge stogie and ensure a good burn? My favorite method is to cut and hold the cigar in my mouth and prepare to draw at the moment the flame hits the foot of the cigar. The trick is, once you strike your tiny match, get ready to protect that flame. Once you have it lit, tilt the head down so the flame starts to race up the match, and then quickly tilt it back up away from your fingers or ouch! Then immediately puff and rotate slowly and watch what happens to the flame. Continue holding the match head up as it gets lower, and then drop the match in the ashtray and check the end of your cigar by blowing on it, making sure the entire foot is red. If need be, you can repeat the process, but this usually does the trick, with one tiny match. Remember the motto of the cigar life: enjoy la buena vida.